Hey, everybody. It seems like everybody has a video about how to enter trades, and very few of those tell you how to get out. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how do you exit a credit spreads trade on Robinhood. We're going to look at the desktop and we're going to look at how to exit the trade on the app. All right, let's get into it. So how do you close a Robinhood spread? I'm on Robinhood. I have a trade over here, this Palantir. I'm going to select the position held. Once you select it, it pops up over here to the right. You're going to see it automatically populates and it's ready for close, right? It's already on close. If you want to adjust, if you want to close it where it is, you just leave this as you want it to. If you want to adjust to a lower price, then you put in how much you want to pay to exit, basically. They tell you whether it's a low, high, medium likelihood or whatever. And when you're ready, you can review the order. And when it's all the way done and you're ready, then you can say submit. I'm not submitting it because I need to do another video, but then you would select submit and then it would go. All right, that's how you close a spread on the desktop. Okay, so how do we close a spread on Robinhood? I'm on the main screen. You go down, you scroll down into your investing area, and then you select the trade that you want to close. It'll pop up. It'll automatically tell you what's going on with the trade here in a minute, and then you select trade and you're going to select close. It's going to say how many contracts do you want to close. I'm going to change it to $1. You can change that to whatever. It tells you the limit price, 0.07 to 0.09, which basically says that's the window of what it's worth right now. I'm going to say 0.01. So I'm going to close it for $1. If you want it to sit and go, to hold on till whenever it cancels, you can select that up arrow at the top and pick good till canceled. Once you're there, limit order, good till canceled. And then you're ready. You can say review and slide up and close it. That's the way you close out a Robinhood spread on your app. So, hey, if you want to elevate your learning of credit spreads, I do have a resource, a training resource for vertical credit spreads. I'll put the link down in the description and you can grab that and be able to go a lot deeper into credit spreads and how they are going to help you to generate nice, consistent profits. All right, check the link in the description.